Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to learn some very useful kitchen vocabulary in English. These are simple words that you can use every day. Let's get started.
Cup.
Cup. The cup is full of hot tea.
The cup is full of hot tea. Refrigerator.
Refrigerator. The refrigerator is full of fresh food.
The refrigerator is full of fresh food. Stove.
Stove. The stove works perfectly.
The stove works perfectly. Microwave.
Microwave. The microwave heats the food quickly.
The microwave heats the food quickly. Toaster.
Toaster. The toaster makes the bread crispy.
The toaster makes the bread crispy. Electric kettle.
Electric kettle. The electric kettle brings the water to a boil in a few seconds.
The electric kettle brings the water to a boil in a few seconds. Blender.
Blender. The blender is used for making smoothies.
The blender is used for making smoothies. Coffee machine.
Coffee machine. The coffee machine makes a strong coffee.
The coffee machine makes a strong coffee. Rice cooker.
Rice cooker. The rice cooker cooks the rice perfectly.
The rice cooker cooks the rice perfectly. Slow cooker.
Slow cooker. The slow cooker is well suited for soups.
The slow cooker is well suited for soups. Juicer.
Juicer. The juicer presses fresh orange juice.
The juicer presses fresh orange juice. Pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker. The pressure cooker saves time when cooking.
The pressure cooker saves time when cooking. Grill.
Grill. We use the grill very often in the summer.
We use the grill very often in the summer. Deep fryer.
Deep fryer. The deep fryer makes delicious French fries.
The deep fryer makes delicious French fries. Waffle maker.
Waffle maker. The waffle maker produces golden brown waffles.
The waffle maker produces golden brown waffles. Meat grinder.
Meat grinder. The meat grinder grinds the meat into minced meat.
The meat grinder grinds the meat into minced meat. Pizza oven.
Pizza oven. The pizza oven bakes the pizza in just 10 minutes.
The pizza oven bakes the pizza in just 10 minutes. Cheese grater.
Cheese grater. The cheese grater finely grates the cheese.
The cheese grater finely grates the cheese. Electric grill.
Electric grill. The electric grill plate is easy to use.
The electric grill plate is easy to use. Can opener.
Can opener. The can opener opens canned food effortlessly.
The can opener opens canned food effortlessly. Hand blender.
Hand blender. The hand blender purees the soup very well.
The hand blender purees the soup very well. Peeler.
peeler. The peeler peels potatoes quickly and cleanly.
The peeler peels potatoes quickly and cleanly.
Sieve.
Sieve. The sieve is used for draining pasta.
The sieve is used for draining pasta.
Silicone pastry brush.
Silicone pastry brush. The silicone pastry brush spreads butter evenly.
The silicone pastry brush spreads butter evenly.
Apron.
Apron. The apron protects the clothing while cooking.
The apron protects the clothing while cooking.
Kitchen tongs.
Kitchen tongs. The kitchen tongs are useful for grilling.
The kitchen tongs are useful for grilling.
Scoop.
Scoop. The ice cream scoop forms perfect balls.
The ice cream scoop forms perfect balls.
Mixing bowl.
Mixing bowl. The mixing bowl is big enough for dough.
The mixing bowl is big enough for dough.
Butter knife.
Butter knife. The butter knife spreads the butter easily on the bread.
The butter knife spreads the butter easily on the bread.
Chopsticks.
Chopsticks. The chopsticks are typical for Asian dishes.
The chopsticks are typical for Asian dishes.
Muffin tin.
Muffin tin. The muffin tin is used for baking muffins.
The muffin tin is used for baking muffins.
Cooking pot.
Cooking pot. The cooking pot is perfect for soups.
The cooking pot is perfect for soups.
Potato masher.
Potato masher. The potato masher makes soft mashed potatoes.
The potato masher makes soft mashed potatoes.
Knife.
Knife. The knife cuts very sharply.
The knife cuts very sharply.
Fork.
Fork. The fork feels comfortable in the hand.
The fork feels comfortable in the hand.
Spoon.
Spoon. The spoon is used for eating soup.
The spoon is used for eating soup.
Cutlery.
Cutlery. The cutlery is made of stainless steel.
The cutlery is made of stainless steel.
Funnel.
Funnel. The funnel helps when transferring liquids.
The funnel helps when transferring liquids.
Whisk.
Whisk. The whisk beats the cream until fluffy.
The whisk beats the cream until fluffy.
Spatula.
Spatula. The spatula helps when flipping pancakes.
The spatula helps when flipping pancakes.
Rolling pin.
Rolling pin. The rolling pin rolls the dough out evenly.
The rolling pin rolls the dough out evenly.
Broom.
Broom. The broom sweeps the kitchen floor clean.
The broom sweeps the kitchen floor clean.
Teapot.
Teapot. The teapot is filled with hot tea.
The teapot is filled with hot tea.
Platter.
Platter. The platter is used for serving food.
The platter is used for serving food.
Sink.
Sink. The sink is full of dirty dishes.
The sink is full of dirty dishes.
Trash can.
Trash can. The trash can is almost full.
The trash can is almost full.
Measuring spoon.
Measuring spoon. The measuring spoon measures the exact amount.
The measuring spoon measures the exact amount.
Pizza cutter.
Pizza cutter. The pizza cutter slices the pizza cleanly.
The pizza cutter slices the pizza cleanly.
Food container.
Food container. The food container is made of glass.
The food container is made of glass.
Thermos bottle.
Thermos bottle. The thermos bottle keeps the tea hot.
The thermos bottle keeps the tea hot.
Baking dish.
Baking dish. The baking dish is perfect for gratins.
The baking dish is perfect for gratins.
Kitchen scale.
Kitchen scale. The kitchen scale weighs the ingredients precisely.
The kitchen scale weighs the ingredients precisely.
Pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker. The pressure cooker saves a lot of time when cooking.
The pressure cooker saves a lot of time when cooking.
Baking mold.
Baking mold. The baking mold is ideal for cakes.
The baking mold is ideal for cakes.
Bread maker.
Bread maker. The bread maker bakes fresh bread.
The bread maker bakes fresh bread.
Capsule coffee machine.
Capsule coffee machine. The capsule coffee machine makes espresso in seconds.
The capsule coffee machine makes espresso in seconds.
Raclette grill.
Raclette grill. The raclette grill creates cozy evenings.
The raclette grill creates cozy evenings.